Hi, this is PY. Here I wanted to show you a quick functionality about the users. In this page is actually a summary of all of the users that we have inside the system, registered inside the system at the moment. So here on top of this you have a list of filters that you can filter the user through. For example, you can filter the user through the list through the college based on the college name, or you can filter based on the user state, based on the gender, or based on the status, or which wanted to see pending verification or whatnot. So now I'm just going to show an example. For example, I wanted to display a list of users that is from Johor, so I'm going to click on Johor, click on search, and this is it. This is the list of all of the users inside our system that is from Johor at the moment. So we can see that this is the name, the age, the details, basically the details of the users. And here you can see that the total points meaning the number of points that the user has accumulated up till this point. So, and this is the total payout. What I am displaying here is actually the total payout in ringgit Malaysia, the total cash payout that the admin has paid to this user, which is for this user, this is test user, this user already received 20 ringgit from payouth. And we can see here the number of tasks completed by the user. They already completed around 4 tasks or 4 campaigns in general. So that's about it. That is basically how we can use this page to see a simple details about all of the users inside the systems. That's it. Thank you.